Hey guys, VideoProc here, and today I'll be talking about VideoProc, a program that lets you process 4K videos, convert 4K videos, and edit 4K videos. Stick around till the end for an insane giveaway. So currently, I use Sony Vegas to edit my videos, but one major downfall is it cannot edit videos from my phone at full resolution, and it starts lagging when editing 4K videos. Now, the reason VideoProc can edit extremely well is due to its level 3 hardware acceleration, which optimizes file size, boosts speeds of editing without compromising video quality, works well with all recent computers, and hugely lowers CPU usage. This allows for smooth editing of 4K videos on any computer. So to download this program, go to VideoProc.com and click download. The link to this website is in the description below. Once the program has downloaded, click on it, then click install, and afterwards launch the program. Once you launch the program, you'll be met by the splash screen to upgrade to the premium version. For now, click remind me later, but stick around till the end for some insane discounts as well as the giveaway. Finish all the steps the program asks you to do, and now you can easily use VideoProc. When you launch the program, you'll be met with 4 different options. In the Video tab, you can convert the original file to hundreds of different types of files at full 1080p. These files include proprietary files that certain smartphones or cameras use. This is a great feature that usually costs money to have. As you guys can see, the video is converted from MP4 to WAV at high quality and free of charge. Just to quickly show you guys the amount of files that are supported by VideoProc, here they all are. As you can see, there are easily over 100 files that are supported. VideoProc can also edit 4K videos with a large variety of features. You can add special effects, add watermarks, cut and crop videos, rotate videos, merge videos, and easily add subtitles. Again, all of these features come free of cost. You can also do all of these things I showed with a disc as long as your PC has a disc reader. VideoProc also lets you download YouTube videos at full 1080p, which again always costs money. The only thing you have to do is provide a link to the YouTube video, and the software will do the rest by itself, creating a folder that will put all of the files into. The final major feature that VideoProc has is the screen recorder. It'll record your screen at full 1080p, but there will be a watermark that is removable by upgrading the software to its premium variant, which leads me into my next point. Currently, you can buy a premium license for less than $30 by clicking the link in the description. You can also get a free premium version 3.2 license, but it will not be upgradable. Both of these are compatible with Mac and Windows. There is also a site-wide sale currently going on where the family license, which allows you to get VideoProc on 5 computers, is only $58. This means VideoProc will only cost around $12 on each computer. And now, onto the giveaway. The company behind VideoProc highly values your feedback on the software and is hosting an Apple AirPod 2 giveaway. By answering the questions provided by the website, the link is in the description below, you'll be entered into this giveaway. Just saying, your chances are extremely high as 5 Apple AirPods are being given away. The winners will be announced on July 15th on VideoProc's Facebook and Twitter page. The winners will also be receiving an email. And by completing this giveaway, you'll be given version 3.3 license for free, although it will not be upgradable without charge. If you end up unhappy with your purchase, VideoProc has you covered, as you are given a 30-day warranty. VideoProc also has lifetime tech support, so if you ever need help, someone will always be ready to help you. To wrap up this video, you can currently get a software that can easily edit 4K videos, process 4K videos, record 4K videos, and convert 4K videos for less than $30. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.